Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And I hope you guys remember last week, during the prelude video, I mentioned I will be unboxing 2023 cars as well. So let me just show you some of the cars which we are going to unbox this week along with one team transport. So let's start with this one. So I bought this actually long back, 2020. Yeah, okay, this was a 2024 casting. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, again, I have a mix of 2023 and 2024 casting, which I never even touched. So yeah, if it is a mix, so even now only I'm also looking at this as a 2024 casting. Okay. Anyway, it's a bit older casting. Fine. So this the Mustang funny car. I really loved this livery on this one because it comes under this art car series. So I bought it at that time. I really want to see how this one actually is. Okay, so here is the next one. Okay, this is also from 2024. So someone was asking me back there, to unbox this one. So I totally missed that at that time. So while I was scrounging through my collection, I found this. So I thought of unboxing this today. So I'm really hoping that you guys will enjoy this unboxing of this particular casting because a lot of people might not have actually bought this. At least they get a chance to look at all these things now. Okay, one other thing is this is a 2023 casting. So someone was asking me about this. Actually, someone asked me to sell this to them. I told no because even I had only one of it. So the 911 Carrera RS 2.7. So this was released on 2023. You can see here March 2023, and this was 149 at that time. Yeah, so we are going to unbox this, and one of my personal favorite in this particular series, which is this one. This is also 2023 casting. You can see here that looks absolutely beautiful, and it looks like a drawing. Okay, this is a 2023 casting. So we will be unboxing this as well, and another one of my favorite casting, the El Camino. Okay, this is also 2023, I guess. Yeah, it's a 2023. This is June 2023. Okay, so I do have El Camino in Matchbox also, but the scale wise, that is more closer to the original thing. This is a little bit exaggerated here and there. So that's the difference between Hot Wheels and Matchbox, if you guys are wondering. So Matchbox usually stays close to the originality. Hot Wheels on the other hand, it doesn't. They just amp it up a little bit. Okay, so the last one which I was talking about is this one, the team transport. So the Toyota Corolla Levin and Sakura Sprinter. So okay, this was a gift from my wife back then, like I think maybe a year back. I kept this in that premium box and I totally forgot that I had this. So I was looking to unbox, looking to take something to unbox. I was originally taking the team transport, which was released this year. I think the Honda, the white color one. So at the last minute, I replaced with this one. So this one looked more cool. I personally love the older cars like this. So I wanted to uh, unbox this one. So I really missed this one out. I didn't even see this one. If I saw this one, I would have bought this. See, right now these are. I mean, the team transport is somewhere around 1,499, I guess. So I bought. My wife actually bought this me for 1,699 or so, maybe 100 rupees, 200 rupees or something more. That's it. So so at this time, this was the only one thing available. I never had any team transport, and someone was asking me to unbox something. That's the only reason I actually agreed to get this when she gifted me this. So, but I totally forgot after that. Okay, so we will be unboxing this week. So with that said, guys, stay tuned for all these videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.